Victor, I know that you will be a speaker on the 5th of May in webinar with them hands-on microservices with Spring Boot. And I prepared a few questions for you. First one, what's the main points about microservices you would like to share in this webinar?
Well, it has been a very trendy topic for last few years, and I think many people at least heard about microservices, but not all of them understand how it works and what microservices architecture is. That's what I'll try to explain, and I'll talk how this is implemented and what approaches you can use to migrate.
Cool. How do you think what level of development knowledge is required for attendance in this webinar?
I will share some Java code, so just understanding its syntax would be perfect. But if you cannot read the code, that's not a problem, because I will still talk a lot about just the main principles, so it will be still interesting for you.
Okay, nice to know. Also, maybe you can tell when it's a good idea to migrate to microservices and when it's not so.
Yeah, migration is pretty complex. So if you don't have the high load and you are satisfied with your current architecture, which is work just fine, I would not recommend to migrate. But otherwise, if you want to conquer new markets, if you want to have the high load of users, you just need to migrate, because otherwise it's just not going to work.
Okay, so thank you for your time and hope to see you in the webinar.
See you, and I hope to be interesting for all our attendees.
Cool.